Hey guys, Michael's here. Are your org mode table driving you absolutely insane? Lines wrapping everywhere, columns completely unreadable. I'm about to show you the one package that will completely transform your work with white tables inside Emacs. Here is the thing, you've certainly been there if you use org mode extensively. Here is a table that I wrote. It's messed up because there is so many columns. For that kind of situation, Ctrl+C will clearly not help you. Enter phscroll. phscroll is a tiny package that adds horizontal scrolling for your buffers. Shout out to Miss Arena for that. It's dead simple to install it. You just use your package manager. In my case, I use Alpaca alongside with use package. You can also set up a hook that will activate the package whenever you enter a hook buffer. That's it for the installation. I will now activate it inside my buffer to show you the difference. YJ's transformation. Boom. Here is your messed up table before is now clean, aligned, and you can easily navigate between different columns in the buffer. You can even use the mouse to scroll between them. Here it is. A clearly more readable format for a human being before, after. And that's how you can read white tables inside Emacs. Drop a comment below with your tips and tricks about Emacs. Do not hesitate to tell me about your difficulties in Emacs so that I can have ideas about tutorials that I can make. Smash that like button and subscribe for more Emacs content. Thank you.